In this video, I'm going to show you how to request sick leave on BambooHR. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard and you can either click on My Info top left, or you can scroll down and where it says time off, you can click on here to, of course, enable sick leave, and you can just click on how many days you have available or just click on request time off. All of these three buttons are going to take you to the exact same tab, which is your profile, and then over here you can find time off. Okay, so click on time off, and under time off you can see sick leave, and then it says sick leave availability, and over here you have, of course, how many days you have left. So you can just click on record time off just below sick leave over here, and it's going to open up like a separate pop-up inside your browser, and here you want to select from and to. So I'm going to just click on over here to actually select the dates. I'm going to do, for example, from 8, so I'm going to select July 8 to, for example, July 9 over here. So I'm just going to click on this button over here again to allow me to basically change this. So I'm going to do like this. There we go. And then time off category should be sick leave, which is the second option, and you'll see the amount of days over here. If that looks good, you can simply click on save down here, and that's going to basically request sick leave on BambooHR. Now, of course, the admins are going to have to approve this, but that's essentially how you do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.